If you think you've already seen the best professional tools, this 2026 lineup might completely change your expectations. On AU TechVerse, we're breaking down the latest Festool innovations that are built to deliver precision, cleaner work, and smarter performance on real job sites. And if any of these tools fits your workflow, you'll find all the Amazon links ready for you in the description below. So stay with us, because the real upgrades start now. TSC 55 KS Cordless Plunge Saw. When you're working on site and need clean, precise cuts without relying on a power outlet, the TSC 55 KS Cordless Plunge Saw becomes a reliable solution. It is designed to deliver accurate plunge cuts when paired with Festool guide rails, helping you achieve splinter-free results on sheet materials. In a real-world scenario like cutting panels for cabinetry or flooring, the cordless design gives you full mobility while maintaining consistent cutting performance. Integrated dust extraction compatibility also keeps the workspace cleaner. This is a tool that combines precision and freedom, making it highly practical for professional cutting tasks. Cordless Planer HLC 82. When you're fitting doors or leveling wooden surfaces on site, accuracy and control make all the difference. The Cordless Planer HLC 82 is designed to deliver smooth and consistent material removal without being tied to a power source. In real-world use, like adjusting a door that doesn't close properly or fine-tuning timber edges, this planer allows you to work quickly while maintaining precision. Its balanced design helps you stay in control during longer tasks. This is a practical, cordless solution that keeps your workflow efficient while delivering clean and professional surface results. ETSC 125 Cordless Random Orbit Sander. When you're finishing a surface, consistency and control are what separate average work from a professional result. The ETSC 125 Cordless Random Orbit Sander is built to deliver a smooth, even finish without being limited by cords. In a real-world scenario like sanding a tabletop or prepping a painted surface, it allows you to move freely while maintaining uniform sanding patterns. It supports dust extraction, which helps keep the surface clean and visible as you work. This is a dependable tool that helps you achieve clean, high-quality finishes with greater flexibility on any job site. RSC 18 Cordless Reciprocating Saw. When you're working on demolition, pipe cutting, hornet, or removing old fixtures, you need a tool that can handle tough materials without slowing you down. The RSC 18 Cordless Reciprocating Saw is designed for controlled and efficient cutting across wood, metal, and mixed materials. In real job site conditions like cutting through studs or trimming installed pipes, the cordless setup gives you full mobility while maintaining steady performance. Its design helps reduce vibration, making longer tasks more manageable. This is a reliable cutting tool that delivers power and control exactly where demanding work requires it. CT-ASA FLXW boom arm. When you're working with dust extractors and power tools, managing the hose and cable can quickly become frustrating. The CT-ASA FLXW boom arm is designed to keep hoses and cables elevated and out of your way, improving both mobility and safety on the job. Must-own in a real-world scenario like sanding large panels or cutting sheet material, this setup allows you to move freely without constantly adjusting tangled hoses. It also helps maintain consistent dust extraction performance. This is a smart addition that keeps your workspace organized and your workflow smooth from start to finish. D50S V-ASY valve. When you're running multiple tools on a single dust extraction system, controlling airflow becomes essential. The D50S V-ASY valve is designed to split and manage suction between two hoses, allowing you to connect more than one tool efficiently. In a real-world setup like a workshop where sanding and cutting tools are used side by side, this valve helps direct airflow where it's needed without constantly reconnecting hoses. It improves workflow and keeps dust extraction consistent. This is a simple but highly practical solution that adds flexibility to any Festool dust management system. DTSC 200 Cordless Delta Sander. When you're working in tight corners or along edges, standard sanders often struggle to reach properly. The DTSC 200 cordless Delta sander is designed specifically for those detailed areas where precision matters most. In real-world situations like finishing window frames, cabinet corners, or intricate woodwork, its Delta-shaped pad allows you to sand evenly without leaving rough spots. The cordless design gives you full control without cable restrictions, while dust extraction support helps keep the surface clean as you work. This is a focused finishing tool that delivers accuracy exactly where detailed sanding is required. Cordless Circular Saw HKC 55 KEB. When you're cutting timber on site, which especially during framing or roofing work, you need speed, accuracy, and freedom of movement. The Cordless Circular Saw HKC 55 KEB is designed to deliver straight, repeatable cuts without being tied to a cord. In real-world scenarios like cutting rafters or trimming boards to size, this saw works seamlessly with guide systems to maintain accuracy. Its cordless setup allows you to move across the job site without interruption. This is a practical cutting solution that combines mobility with consistent performance for everyday construction tasks. KBS C Construction Light. When you're working in low-light conditions, visibility directly affects both safety and accuracy. The KBS C Construction Light is designed to provide consistent, high-quality illumination across the job site. When in real-world situations, like working in unfinished interiors or late-hour installations, this light helps you clearly see your work area without harsh shadows. Its portable design allows you to position it where it's needed most, improving overall workflow. This is a reliable lighting solution that ensures you can work with confidence no matter the environment. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to AU TechVerse for more professional tools and tech that actually improve how you work every day.